Hey guys, this is Chris with Geek on Tech, and today we're going to be doing the unboxing. It's going to be a pretty quick video. We're just unboxing the green S22 Ultra. As you guys can see, I just got it, so let's just jump right into it. Boom. Let's cut the seals. Cut the seals. Boom, boom, boom. Alright. So we're jumping right in here. There it is. I can already kind of tell the color. Ooh. Let's put this off to the side for now. Oh my goodness. How on earth? Hold on a second. Make sure there's nothing special in here. There's nothing in there. It looks like it's just the cable and then SIM tray tool. So let's put this off to the side over here. So that's the box. Here's the phone. So in person, I know over the camera it's kind of hard to tell, but in person it is more of like a bluish green. It's still green, but man, I think this is the best color for sure, hands down. It's better than the burgundy. The burgundy one's right here, not a fan. Let's do this right here for the people. Okay, there it is, guys. Let's look at the color. Ooh, wee. This took forever to get to me. It's the 512 gigabyte version. It's been a nightmare to get this phone, to be honest with you. It shipped and then it got delayed, and then it shipped and then it got delayed, and then it got delayed, and then it got delayed. And still the other portion of the things that I got with the phone are still in transit. So it's been a nightmare, but I think it was definitely worth the wait. I like this color a lot. I really want to see that white color. That one looks like it's the best. But I don't know. This one's definitely a contender for that #1 spot for best color. But that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. Just wanted to unbox this very quick. But, oh, actually, I did want to unbox. I got a case for it. It's a different case. This is the Insignia hardshell. They sell these at Best Buy. One of the cool things about this, it says scratch resistant, so we'll put that to the test. It's got 6-foot drop protection. It's got raised edges, and we'll see how it is. I think that's pretty much it. So the way that this opens up, just like so. I hope it's oh, it's got discoloration defense too, anti-yellowing. That's right, the guy was telling me about that. So here's the case. It's got little raised edges too, which it doesn't really matter because it's on the back side, but this is the case that I'll be rocking with it, just to make sure we can see that color. Some specks of dust on there that got trapped under the thing, but this is nice. This is not bad. Now, I also got a Spigen Ultra Hybrid coming here soon, so we'll take a look and see which one's better, but this is it right here. Looks like it fits pretty nice, not too bad. The top actually fits a little weird, actually, now that I'm looking at it. But overall, hey, this will do. We'll have to see which one's better, this one or the Spigen. So you can get this at Best Buy. It's the Insignia. I thought they made TVs only, but I guess they make cases now. $25 at Best Buy, which not a bad deal, especially at a retailer. If you're in a pinch and you need to get something, you can go over there, pick it up real quick. So that's all, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, y'all.